Hello students, welcome to the class of science. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 4 Sorting Materials into Group part 2 of class 6. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the properties of materials, that is appearance, hardness, solubility, float or sinks, transparency and heaviness. So the first property is appearance. How a material look. Material look two types: shiny, lustrous, or non-shiny, dull or non-lustrous. The example of shiny materials are gold, silver, diamond, iron. They are the two examples of the shiny or lustrous materials. The non-shiny materials are which are not show shine or dull in nature. Examples are wood and plastic. Second property is hardness or softness. Hardness. Some materials are very hard to touch or difficult to compress or scratch. Example, iron, wood, stone, glass. And some materials are so soft to touch by our hand also, we can easily compress them or stretch easily. Example, cotton, sponge, rubber, wood. Solubility. So in this solubility, we are consider about what substances are soluble in water or insoluble in water. The substances that completely disappear or dissolve in water are soluble in water. Example, salt or sugar. Insoluble substances. The substances that do not mix with water and do not appear even after we stir for long time. Example, sand or oil. Materials or solubility in water. Sugar. If we put sugar in water, then sugar is soluble. If we put salt in water, then it is completely soluble. If we put sand in water, then it is insoluble. Chalk powder, insoluble. Sawdust, insoluble. Vinegar, soluble. Lemon juice, soluble. So here are some examples of materials that are soluble or insoluble in water. Float or sink. Objects which are denser than water, they got sink, or which are lesser than water, whose density is less than water, will float on water. The objects that float in water are plastic bottle, rubber ball, a paper boat, leaf twig, wall on oil. Their density is low than water, or their relative density is lesser than water, that is less than 1. So they float in water. And the object, those are having their relative density greater than 1, will sink in water. Example, sand, stone and coin. The next property is transparency. Transparency means those materials which allow us to see outside clearly, partially or incompletely. We can't see outside. They are the properties included in transparency. The topics are transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent. Those material or substances through which things can be seen clearly are called transparent. Example, glass, water, air and some plastic. Translucent material. Those materials through which object can be seen but not clearly are called translucent. Example, butter paper, oily patches on water. Opaque material through which we are not able to see are called opaque. Example, wood, metal, plastic or cardboard. Here are some examples of transparent, opaque and translucent. Glass, through which we can see easily. Opaque, through which we can't see completely or the things that not appear clearly. Akar, opaque, and the translucent object through which we can see partially. Akar, translucent object. Thank you.